Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a door and its trim, including the door jamb in its entirety. And of course, we want to be mindful of the drywall. So I'll show you how I focus on that using those three simple tools. Okay, like I mentioned before with the drywall, I am going to be scoring along the trim line just to make sure that no paint chips come off with the actual trim when it does get pulled away from the wall. All right, next step, I'm going to be using the jamb as my leverage to pry off the trim. Wedge this in here just to give it a little start. Again, using leverage for the jamb. That way you're not damaging the drywall. And then just work your way up. Trim is completely off on both sides. Now it's time to pry off this jamb. In removing this jamb, it's going to be the same idea as removing the trim. You want to be mindful of the drywall. Use the wood as leverage. So we're going to be using this stud behind the jamb just to give us some leverage so we're not digging into that drywall. And you definitely want to start in spots where you'll notice the shims. So you want to pry those nails out. All right, the door is completely out. All that's left to do is just to remove the excess nails. In the next video, we'll show you how we are going to install the door. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.